Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashanti. So I just got finished cleaning my room a little bit. I'm cleaning. I don't like to clean, honestly. Like it's like who wants to clean? I like to wash dishes. Like I enjoy washing dishes, but like I need more storage. That's the real problem. I need more storage. So I clean for a good 45 minutes. It's just mostly like it's not even dirty. It's just like mainly water bottles. And like I said, I need storage. I need like a nice dresser. I've been watching the Madrid Open. Oh, my nose itch. I don't know if anyone is into tennis. I watched Naomi versus Sabalenka. And I love Naomi. Like that first set was tight. Like the second set, Sabalenka came back and I stopped watching the third set because I wanted to like just clean a little bit. But I want to go to a match. I talked about it in the previous video. I want to go to the U.S. Open. Some Wimbledon. They got one here in D.C. But sporting events is high. They just high for no reason. Unless it's like, they only cheap if it's like a not so popular team. Like if it's like a group sport. But I feel like tennis matches be high. It don't matter who playing. They kind of up there. But I want to go. Like it's cute to go to anything once. Like I saw the Grizzlies. But I saw the Grizzlies when they played against the Wizards, but I was like super far away. But I want to have that experience of like being low key like on the floor because I feel like that's better. Because low key watching it at home be a better experience because the commentators they be funny. And Coco Gauff she finna play in a little bit, so I'll probably watch her match. I really want Naomi to win because I would love to see Naomi versus Coco Gauff. Like I would love to see that. What else? But yeah, I got a nice little break off from work. Oh man, and I'm happy. I work like 7 days in a row. I was off for a day, then I worked in my second job on Saturday. And I go back to work on the 1st of May, so I'm gonna probably take my hair out. I'll probably take my hair out on Wednesday because tomorrow will make it 2 weeks since I did my hair. But I need to wash clothes. I want to get that out the way. And I might film like I might take out half of my head and then film me taking out the second half. I don't know. I want to though. If I do film it, I might film it on the computer though, even though the computer, but the computer, my laptop is like super bad quality. But I do want to film another like hair video, just like a hair takedown video. I had music playing while I was cleaning up because that's the only way. Like cleaning up in silence is just like. So I definitely had the jams playing on Spotify. The last song I listened to was Diary, the live version by Alicia Keys. I really like that song. I think I'm a link. I'm a link in. I think I don't know every video, but maybe like every other video, I'll probably link a playlist. I hate single strand knots. Like, legit, if I feel a single strand knot in my head, I'm cutting it instantly. It's annoying. And it's not even a single strand. But if I feel one, I am cutting it. I wear my hair in braids mostly. I want like I think I just need a cute like scissors fluffy like I want a cute fluffy curly wig. Like I'm not a fan of straight hair myself at all. It's a cute. I seen like half wigs, but I think I want a full wig. Like this drawstring, I'm not trying to glue nothing. I'm not trying to glue nothing to this forehead and rip the edges out. Like no, cause like my favorite way to wear my hair for real is after I take my braids out, take my hair and just wear it out. The braids, I'm tired. I've been wearing braids like this for a cool long time, but I'm over it. But my hair just tangles so easily. Like I can never just wash my hair, put the product in, and just let it dry because the shrinkage is crazy. And this is the only way to like stretch my hair out without the shrinkage and the tangling. Like hair, hair, doing your hair is a task. No matter if you wear your hair, if you don't straighten it, blow it out, whatever, doing hair can be a task, especially if you got thick and my hair is super thick. It's a task. And I just be trying to make sure my scalp clean, the hair clean, moisturized, braided up, and low key forget about it. Oil my scalp. I think I oil my scalp maybe like, I try to do it like once a week. And then like I think when I take these out, I'll take these out and like put it in twists and I put a little bit of leave-in. That's what I did the last time. Cause I haven't put, I put oil in my hair and I put a little bit of leave-in on my edges. But ever since I've done it 2 weeks ago, I haven't put no more leave-in in it. So when I take it out, I'm gonna put just like a little dime size amount. Cause I don't know when I'm gonna wash it. Like I should wash it before I go back to work. But I probably won't, honestly. I ain't gonna lie. Cause I just don't feel like washing my own hair. I'll probably take it out. Usually I take my hair out and I wear my hair out for like a week before I wash it. So that's probably what I'll do. And I just want to incorporate more talking videos because I feel like majority of my videos have just been covers, and I like the talking videos. I'm going to the eye doctor because my glasses have been broke for like 2 months, and it's so hard to schedule an appointment. Like, why is it so hard to schedule like to anything? Like, I was supposed to have this appointment last month. Something came up and it got pushed. But I'm ready because I need some glasses. I want some cute glasses. Like some marble. I want like a black pen and then like a color pair that like this. Like maybe like a marble pair of glasses, but I probably gotta get that from somewhere else and then get my prescription put in my glasses. And I'm always touching my hair. Like I don't know, is that like my what you call it? It's just a habit. What's the temperature? Oh, excuse me. It's been pretty cool the last few days. It's 58 degrees. But yeah, how is y'all week going? What are you looking forward to doing? this week. If you're working, if you're on vacation, I need a vacation. I want to go to, I don't know, I just want to go to hella places. It ain't take money to go to places, but I want to go when I do have the money. I want to go. Just traveling is fun, experiencing new places, eating new foods and stuff. I need a vacation. On my nose. Oh, I know what I really want to talk about. Wattpad. Get on Wattpad and read you some books. Like I'm reading some good books right now on Wattpad. I'm not long. I'm gonna try to find it. I'm gonna try to find it. Um, I think it's called Forbidden Lectures. And let me see. Forbidden Lectures in Gone Girl. That's what I'm reading right now. And they're so good. Like Gone Girl is like, I don't know, like I feel like I relate too hard to the book, but with Pat, they the girls be writing. They write and they write good. But yeah, thanks for listening to me yacht for a little while. And I'll see you in the next one.